this one first. So let me say insert. So Mr. Kelechi, please be watching the way we are doing it. So you do your own by yourself. So insert. So this is for payment mode. You click on insert. We'll have something like this. So you're giving us a pie chart. So change it to, we want a scorecard. We change it to a scorecard. All right. So okay, so we have something like this. So the next thing we're going to do is to change it to what is the row number of this payment mode? My own is in row. I mean, my own is in M4. So I'll come change it to M4. Then key value, change it to, okay, come here, M4. I'm coming. Why are you telling me to stick? So, so two, giving me two. So we have only two. So payment mode two. So what we're going to do, what we're going to now do is to reduce the size to, but not chart style, sorry. Okay, chart style, background color, whatever. Key value. So font size, let's say 16. Let's say 13. 30, let's make it the highest number here, 36. And font color, black. And then make it, the alignment should be in the middle. And embolden it. Then okay, so that's for key value. Then chart title, add this and title to change it to payment mode. Payment mode, and font size should be 36 as well. Oh, and 20 is okay. So 36. Auto color should be, text color should be black, and then alignment middle, embolden it. So I'm done with payment mode. So we reduce the font, the size. So it tells us that we only have two payment modes for this business. All right. So the next one is number of customers. So come insert a chart. Then for me, I'm still going to use a scorecard. So come here to aggregate, go to M2. That we will look for it. But key value, no, not M2, sorry. Number of customers is M6. Sorry, M6. Okay, sorry, M6. So 1,316. Is it sum or count? It's supposed to be count. You know. So that was okay. You use sum to sum everything. Okay, customize. Change the chart stack to change it to number of customers. Number of all right. And the font size should be 36. No, for the title, sorry, it's for title, so 20. And then alignments, black, text color, black. Okay, then key value auto will be 36. Embolding, make sure it's in the middle. And here you have this. No, this one Mr. Kilichiku, please, I hope you understand everything I'm doing. Okay. I mean,
Hello, sir.
yes, sir.
Hello.
I,
Yes, I have just a very short question to ask. Like where you said insert chat,
yeah,
okay? It looks as if it generated it automatically. Is it from the data you have already,
yes,
as in the tables?
yes.
Okay,
It generates
okay,
automatically from the table we have, from this
okay,
table here.
okay.
Yeah, so you are the one that have to now make sure you select what you want. You get, so like for example, now I want to do number of transactions. Number of transactions is in M8. I normally, okay, I clicked on it just to be remember so I can remember. Then I clicked on insert and I went to chart. Then okay, it's loading up. So you give me, it's displaying for me a pie chart. Of course, I don't need a pie chart. The first thing to do is to select the kind of chart you want. So you scroll down. This is a scorecard. All right, so good. So it gives you in date, it will give you first of all dates. What you not need to do, first of all, go to remove this use row one as headers. You need to aggregate. Hmm? Then the next thing you now do is to come here to change the key distance, the date range, which is M what again? I think it's M8 now. Yeah. Okay. So click enter. So you see 3034. 3634. The next thing you are now going to do, remember this date range tells you that the date range, where do we get the date range from? The date range is here. This is M8. M8. That's how we put it. M8. So the key value there is M8. So the next thing we're now going to customize our scorecard. We'll come here to also customize. Remember here, you make sure you put in aggregate. If you don't put in aggregate initially to give you something else. That's because in here, that's where you can choose to sum, find the maximum, find the average, and the rest of it. So that's how you must put in. Oh, that's how you must put in aggregate. So the next thing you now do is to come here and go to chart axis and title. Instead of date, change it to number of, I think, number of transactions. Number of transactions, right? And what font size should we use? We're using, I think it's 20. Yeah. Then text color, make sure it's black. You can, for now, let's just embolden everything. Alignment, put it in the middle. And that'll be all for that. Then we'll go to key value. Key value is the number 3634. The font size, make sure it's, let's say, 36. All right. I mean, yes, 36. Then increase the bolding. And here we go. So we just have something like this, as simple as this. And we'll put all of these together. The last but not the least now is number of products. Okay, Mr. Kelechiku, why are you not? Let me see your sheet first. Why, Mr. Kelechiku, why are you not on your sheet doing yours?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Why are you not on your sheet doing your own?
I've not populated my table now. That's like with respect to what you did yesterday. So I'm just like observing today to like
No, it's not.
understand what you're doing.
Observation is not allowed, though. Why are you not? Why didn't
Okay.
you go through the video or what we did yesterday?
I'm preparing for my forthcoming exams. I have like three courses to write, so I have to start as a yesterday to start preparing because in less than 10 days now I will have to sit for those exams. So I'm just trying to catch up left, right, everywhere. Yes.
Well, is it that the exam came impromptu?
No. It was deferred exams. In
Hmm.
fact, I should have written them in December, but I had to because we have options. If you don't have the time, you can defer, and as well there is what they call on demand. You are free to request when it will be convenient for you to write it. So that's why, but there must be like time frame. You have to do it before the next section kicks in. So my have already given me the dates to write the exams, and this is in this February. So I'm already preparing for it.
Yeah. Because normally before, I'm sure Oluwatos must have asked you, the HR must ask you if you are sure you will have the time. If you are sure you are going to have the time to do
The program, the side west.
this program, she must have asked you
Yeah,
if you had the time.
yeah. Yeah, they are aware of my concern, so I'm trying to,
Okay, they are aware.
do the much. Yes, so
Okay,
that I will
no
do the
wahala.
much I can. Yes.
Assuming you did a little bit of
My program, my this program now is like, what we call SciWest program. Okay.
yeah.
Eh, that's what I'm doing, and I should have even completed this thing as at even a long time ago. But my challenge was, going to I've been able to do the 3 months in another organization. So the remaining, because it's supposed to be 6 months, so the remaining, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I want to do it with you guys, at least, even if I'm able to learn one or two things. It's not as if I'm doing it for something too special, but
You told me that.
to fulfill that requirement, yes.
You say it's not money you're looking, you want to let it fall. Wahala. You. Yes, so let those that are looking for the money, let us be doing it. It's all seriousness now. It's fine as far as you have told them anyway. That's my it's my way I will have issues is if they are not aware. The HR, the leadership is not aware that hey, they are writing the
Uh,
exam and
they,
all.
they, they are, they are, they are. In fact, I wrote some. In fact, I said 2 weeks ago, the very first week we started this program, I wrote 3 courses, so the next three will be coming up shortly. Yes, but no problem. I'm
All
doing
you
my
just do
best
for
to
me,
show them everything. But
the favor you are going to do for me is just try whenever you have your free time when you are through. Hmm? Take your time, go
yeah,
through.
to go
You are
through
very
the
simple.
videos. Yeah, yes.
You are very, very. What we just did now, because assuming you could even have an idea of how to do scorecard, all I've just done, maybe for the sake of today's class, was to populate your table for you fast, and then you now continue the scorecard. But since you don't even have an idea, I don't think you know how to do the scorecard. To do the other, excuse me, to do the other charts we want to do it will be a little bit difficult. Not to use the word difficult, but it will be somehow.
But I'll have to watch the video, yes,
Yeah,
to at least to
have an
have
idea.
the primary knowledge. Yes.
Yeah. So far so good. I think John should be almost with you now. Okay, John is still doing his now. Okay, good. So John has his total revenue, payments month, number of customers. Very good. So okay. Let me just come to your charts, the electrical your table. Well, for while I'm waiting for John. So what we did here, you know what we did here now? To populate this date column, what we did here was you copied everything from here and pasted it here. Is it not so? Mr. Kelechukwu?
Okay, hold on. Let me follow through. Okay.
Let me just,
Okay.
while I'm waiting for John, let me just walk you through to populate your table. Then let me see how I can be. While I attend to him, I attend to you, attend to him, attend to you. Since the ladies
Okay,
are not in
boss.
class today, and believe me, because today is Friday, but anybody that's not supposed to be in class, will not be in class, or not come, is supposed to send, what they call it now, an excuse or something. I don't know how we do it here
Yeah,
in
in
Nigeria.
fact, even yesterday night I was supposed to join, but because of engagements and my courses, I needed to have a section with the lecturer today. So I had to just forfeit one or forgo one at that time. But it's all good.
See what I'm going to do here now. This place is
Yes, sir.
supposed to be date. Hmm? This is what we have here,
That's
date.
the A column.
Yeah,
Yes.
8 columns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to make it easy. When I come here, I'll click on the column header, the G, and I say Control C to copy.
Hold on. You clicked on which one? The column header?
That is
Okay.
G. The column header is F, A, G, C. This one here. So I'll go to click on it, G, and then come here. I'll click on the column header A. Then I'm going to right click and now say paste special. Then go to values only. Go to values only. Are you seeing it? The reason why is this.
Values only.
Yes,
Values only.
yes. You're with your laptop, right?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, I'll do this one for you, but
Okay. I
no, don't worry,
okay.
I'll do this one. The rest will be the same thing. I'll click on value.
Okay. But basically what you did, you went to the G header,
Control C.
highlighted, right?
Yes, I highlighted it. Then did Control C.
Yes, to copy. Then you came back to A.
Yes, I highlighted the
Okay.
entire column. I tell it the entire column. Then now did right click to now show you cut, copy, paste special. On that paste special, go to values only and click on it.
Yes.
So no, don't do anything. Yeah, I don't know why you're on your table.
Yes. I'm not doing it.
So sorry, Jerry. What you're now going
Yeah.
to do is this. I like this table again. We're now going to change it. Go to your format. We want to change. Sorry, excuse me. We want to only change this thing to data type. If you look at what we have here currently, is date and time.
And timestamp, yes.
Yes, so we only want to change it to date. So what we are going to do, the same thing, highlight the entire column, go to format, go to number, then go
Yes.
down. You see date. You see it now.
Yes.
Then just click. This is what you have.
Okay. To take out those ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now the next one I want to do is let's do year. Yeah, we see, you are going to do year. What you are going to what you are going to do what you are going to do is this. You come here, highlight this, Control C, come here, right click.
Okay. Oh,
I'm just telling
hold
you what
on.
to do before you do it. Just listen now. Just listen to what I was saying. You come here to
Yes,
date.
I want to understand where you are. That's the column A.
Hope you're looking at my screen, not your own screen from your end.
Yes.
If you're
Yes.
looking at it from your end, you won't see what I'm doing now. Look at it from the screen. I'm sharing.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you are going to do is this. We want to create year column. Let's start from here. That will be the easiest. What you go to do, you come to the click on A, highlight this entire A, then do Control C. All right. Then you now come here, click on this E, and now you right click and now look for that paste special, then paste values only. Is that clear? So let's do do that one first. Sorry, excuse me. So do that one first. Let's see how it goes. Let me look at John. John, well done. It's only I'm not. Why am I seeing a different? Okay, just continue first. Last time you're supposed to have how many cards? One, two, three, four, five. I'm only seeing one, two, three, four. Uh,
I'm doing the last one. Network is
okay.
delaying. Yes, sir. So I'm done.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm looking at my own page. What are you going to do, John? John, this is beautiful. John, well done. This is impressive. So that
Thank you.
total revenue, make it exactly to look like what you have in the rest of them. If you look at your own, you only if you look at my own, is everything is the same size. If go to your customize section, please. Make all them to be the same thing. Before we proceed, please.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Kelechu. Kelechu. Mr. Kelechuku, where's your year column?
Hello, sir.
Where is your year column? Bami Bayi, Ọlọ́run bá mi. Ọlọ́run bá mi. Please click on Control Z. Click Control Z. Let me see.
Oh, hold on. Let me ask. I have a question, sir.
Okay.
From what you asked me to do, you said I should take the column A.
Yes. And paste in.
Then I'll move to column E.
And paste it in column E. That is where you have your year column.
Yes, and I've done that. Didn't I do it correctly?
Okay. Thank you, Jerry. I understand what you're saying. So, but in order not to confuse me, please, next time just come here and just label it here. So that's what you have been doing since.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
that's what confused me because I was with my mind. It was like you're supposed to have gone far since now. Okay, so what
Yes.
you're going is my fault, so Jerry, don't mind me. So what you're going to do next time?
Oh,
You are going to just highlight it.
sir, are you working on it?
I'm not working on it. I just
Which
want to
one?
show you what to do.
No. My table. Okay, that's the column A.
What
One
happened
of
to
it just that's I think the very first one that row 2. It just went back. I don't know what happened. Maybe you help me to.
it's not showing
Have
or
you
what?
seen where it's showing date and time again? Oh,
From my own end, I can't see it from my own. Okay,
okay, it's okay now. It's okay now.
okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so next thing you are going to do is you are going to come to your year column. As I said, you're going to highlight everything. All right, and then see what you do. Let me come to my own table. Okay, or let me come to my own table so you can see my screen. So you see exactly what I'm doing. In my own, this is my own table. I'll just come here, highlight everything, go to format, go to number. All right, remember format number, then go to cost. Do I need to? I think I can use a function for this one. Let me check. Wait, let me come to. Okay, you can use a function. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so you just go to year. Wait, you can use a function if you like for this one, but if I don't use a function, so it's not stressful. So I know why. You can go to year, go to number. All right, then you go to down. You see this thing called custom date and time. Remember, go to format, go to number. You now go down to custom date and time. Click on it. You will see month, all this kind of stuff. Delete everything and click here and put only year. That's all. Delete everything you see there and just put only your year, and that will be all. So try it. Let me see. First of all, highlight the entire column. Then go to format, go to number, then go to custom date and time.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's on that's custom date and time formats. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you're saying what from my own end, what I have is just date on that's the head where to apply. So I want to find out, should I change the date to year or what?
Yeah, I don't know what this is there, but change it to year. Uh,
Hello, can you hear me?
change. I can hear you very well. Change it to year. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, once I get to that custom date and time format, I will now change it to year.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now, let me see. This network is so slow today. What is happening?
To change it to year, as in.
Okay, so if I said hello, sir.
I can hear you, sir.
So once I have added the year, but it's showing now is showing day, month, and year. So I should delete the day and the month, right?
Yes. Leave only the year. And any other you might see some slashes, slash or dash. Make sure you just use
Yes.
backspace to remove those ones. You don't need it.
Let's see how do I delete this?
Just click on anyone you want to delete. Click on it and just press backspace to delete it.
Okay, now I have only year. I should now apply,
Yes, sir.
but my year is showing it's showing me 1930. I
Now
don't know. I should I
go back to the format again. Go back to your
okay
format.
my table.
That highlight the entire year column again. Then click on format again. Go back to that custom date and time.
Oh,
Highlight the table again. Then click on format. Then make sure you go to that custom date and time again. So that way you only have year. When you get there, let me know.
okay. Okay, sir. Let me understand you correctly. When I have already highlighted
The
the
year column.
column, that is the year, yes.
Then click on
I don't
format.
need to copy anything,
No, no,
right?
no, no, no. Just click on format.
Yes.
We want to change
So
that year to the
once I
proper way.
get to format, I will go to the to number, right?
Yes, sir.
Then I will now move down to custom date and time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I have day, so I have to choose
You
year.
told me it's only year you have there already. Do you know what you told me?
No, 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 no. My system brings out day
Remove every other
only.
thing and leave the year. But don't click apply yet. Remove every other thing. Just leave the year first.
Okay.
Now, when you do that,
Hold on. Let me remove
all right.
other ones. Okay. So now I have only year.
Now, what you're now going to this is your page, sorry. Let me go back to my own.
Hello. Can you hear
I'm
me?
with you, sir. So when you go to let me see. Come Okay. When you go to year now, click on that year. When you left click on the year, you see full numeric year. Just click on it and apply. That'll be all.
Okay. Full
Full
numeric
numeric
year.
year. Now you see 1930, full 1930.
Yes.
Then apply.
Okay. So what I have here now is year in bracket 1930.
Yes, sir.
I now have to apply. Okay.
Is John almost true? Okay, John is almost John. How far?
Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
How far now? This is your total revenue. What's going on with it now?
Okay.
Let me refresh. Let me from my end. Let me check. It's still looking green. The background of your total revenue is still looking green. It's not looking white. Let me refresh first.
Okay. Let me remove the
It's not looking like the font side. The font is not
It's
looking like the
serious.
rest of them.
Wow.
the rest of your other this thing. So, Mr. Klechiko, what's going to happen now? Very good. For the sake of time, I will run through. I'll just be looking at your screen. I will run through this day of the week, month, year, week number, and the rest of them. Then you so that you can be on the same page with John. Because John is almost through. Once he finishes that formatting, we just have 1 more hour to go, or more than one.
I'm done, sir.
Okay, I'm coming, John, please. I'm coming. Let me just make sure that you and Mr. Klechiko are on the same page partially. Let me populate it. So, Mr. John, be looking at your Mr. Klechiko, be looking at your screen. That is my own screen I'm sharing. All right. So for year, we have done for year. For week number, what I just need to do is to come here. All right. Go to price is equals to. I will see something like week number. You see weekday. You see week number. Just click on week number. Select any of them. All right. Then click on enter. Then thank God it's showing you suggested autofill. Click OK. So you go through. Oh, okay, good. So what I just did, Mr. Electrical, was I just press is equals to. We want to find the week number of these dates. You understand? What week of the year was it? For example, we have third one 2024, meaning March 1st, 2024. Because in Google Sheet it is month, day, and year. Correct? Month, day, and year. So that's for week number. I'm just trying to be hurried. Then for month, year, I'm going to copy everything from here. So when you go through the video, you understand exactly what I did. Control C, come here, control paste special, paste values only. So here is month, year. All right. So the next thing I will highlight everything, then go to that same formatting we've been doing before. And this one is going to be a little bit different from what we did. It's going to be a little bit different from what we did earlier on. We'll go to custom date and time. Okay, month, year. So I already have month here already, so I'll just apply. Month is a short form. Year is 1930. Let me change your own to, instead of slash, let me change it to dash. All right, so and then we go. So that's your month. Yeah, oh. How many months do we have? See, what have I done? Hold on, let me see what I'm doing. Oh, day of the week. Oh, damn it. That's my mistake. Okay. I don't want it to be different though. It's okay. Just reverse. This is supposed to be day of the week, so let me just reverse. I don't want it to be different from every other person. So let's come here. Control C, Control V, paste special, and paste values only. So here will be months here. Alright, so I like everything again. Go to format, go to number, go to custom date. It should be just month here, that's there. Then we have it. For day of the week, just click this. What do we do? Weekday, yeah. That should be weekday. And then just click on this. So that I use the week day column, and I'm having, what am I having January? No, what I'm going to do is this. I'll use this function. I'll use this thing. I'll use the format. So we come here, paste special, paste values only. So what you have is day of the week. So I'll click everything and go to format. I'm just trying to be fast. Go to format, go to number at least, and go to Friday. Yeah. Then year, week, number. I'm going to use a function called concatenate. This is what we did yesterday. As when you watch the video now, all these things will not be looking new. Year, you take your year. Then I'm going to put this dash think W0 close double quote comma. What are we going to add again? The week number. Why is it giving me all these strange numbers I'm seeing here? Come in, please. I'm coming. Let me make sure. Okay, this is not in number format, so let me change this to number format. Okay, because of the formatting we did. So let me change this to number. number. What's going on? Automatic. Just hold on a second.
So, sir, please, I have a question. Yes, the year week number. What are we? What's the rationale behind it? Are we? Is it like 9 times 2024 or what? What's it? What do we want to
The
do
year
there?
week number.
Year week number.
We want to find the week of which particular year gave us particular uh, results. It's part of. I explained. That's what I did in yesterday's class. I explained all these things in yesterday's class.
Okay.
I explained all these things in yesterday's class. That the reason for the
Okay.
year week.
When I watch the video, I will follow up. Yeah. Okay.
Which one is this one? Year week number. Let me see. Yeah. So I've tampered with people's data set now, affecting what I'm coming, guys. So is it post to yeah? I have to do this one for everybody now. Okay. So no, what I'm coming, please. This thing I did. Are you sure it has not tampered with? Are you showing me? Okay. Let's see what this. But I'll try. Coming. Hmm? Okay, I'll sort your own out. I'll know why. I'll copy it from my table. Let me see why it's showing me this 1905. Hmm? I'm coming. I'll come back. John, where are you? Okay, John is good to go. So okay now. So Mr. Kelechi, watch now. Me and John. Let me see my own table. Say, my own is still okay. Okay, my own is still okay. I don't know why Mr. Kelechi is showing me something else. Okay, so John, the next chart we want to build now. So I'll build my own sharp while I'll try and solve Mr. Kelechi's chart. So let's start from the down. Let's build number 18, create revenue trend over time. So John, we want to create a line chart showing revenue over time. Now, if you come to your table, John and Mr. Kelechi, line chart over time, simply saying we want to see how much we're making from that is the J column over time. That's as simple as that. I want to represent it using a line chart. So how do we do that? Remember, just click on your table, click all, press Control all. You go to insert your chart. So we want to use month year over money. Now we want to use month year. The reason why I want to use month year is because the month year will show us like which month and which particular year. Don't forget that this data set is from 2024 to even 2025. All right, so we're not going to, first of all, is to change your chart type, change it to line chart. Now, please use smooth line chart. Don't use line chart. Use smooth line chart. Now you have changed it to smooth line chart, I believe. John, are you with me? Let me be sure. Or should I?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
I'm
So
understanding.
it's not that okay. Then so you change to smooth line chart, and then make sure your data range is still A1 column A3636. Then you come here to this x-axis, or let me remove all these series. Let me try if it will work. Remove all these series first. Good. Then come to x-axis and put in your month here. Remember, come to x-axis and put in your month here. Come to series and put in the money. All right, the money. All right, then aggregate is what you have. I'm going to repeat everything from the top. So what you do is you click Control, click on Insert, go to Charts. When you click on your chart column, okay, you change, the first thing to do is to change your column type to line chart. Make it to smooth line chart. All right. The next thing you come to this series here for that's the first thing I normally do. I'll remove everything, remove all series. All right. So what we now have here, you have something a plain x-axis and a plain series. This series is like your y-axis. Then come here, change it to month year, and then an aggregate. Then go to series, add your month there, and this is what you have. So try and do your own. You might make one or two mistakes, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay, wait, there's something I refuse to check. Use row one instead of. Alright, so I'll go to customize. So this is revenue over time. So I'll go to chart axis and title revenue over time. And then font size is for my title is 20. And then my color will be black for now. And alignment, middle, bold, all that. Okay, good. So this is what we have so far. Any other thing? I think this is okay. So let me shift it to one side while I wait for John. So let me go back. So John, if there's any issue, please let me know. So this is the first.
Sir, the network, like your voice is breaking, so I didn't get most of
So that
the
means
explanation,
you
but
understand it.
already, yes. But then you can. I'm still going through. I've already plotted the graph. Remaining, let me put the revenue, like
Okay.
the title,
Um,
and format the remaining arrangement.
yeah, I'm gonna do that one now. Let me see where I can come in to help in any case. Anyway.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Sir. Okay, so how do I bring this? Yesterday in the class, I explained why anytime I want to check, create a chart for anything that has to do with something over time, we need to be using a line chart or a column chart, but best is a line chart. Okay, hey, Mr. Klechukwu, why is this here? Okay, I think I know where the issue is coming from. This, let me convert this. Let me check if this thing is in date. Let me convert to date time first. Good. Convert this one to date time. I think this is where the issue is coming from. Convert here to date data type. And that's what it is. Okay, it's in date data type. Good. Okay, let me see. So for year now, I'll come here. Mr. Klechukwu, this is your chart now. So I want to know what the check the troubleshoot to know what the okay. Why am I seeing 19? Why? Okay. Give me right. What data type is? Tell me this is data. Okay, automatic. Go to number. Okay, fine. So the issue was that Mr. Kelechukwu, the dates because of the copy and paste I did, this date time changed to a different data type. So that's why. I don't know. But it's normal now. So Mr. Kelechukwu, I hope you're with me. Okay, so the next thing you go to your year week number. You come here, your year week number, and we say is equals to concatenate. All right. Now say you concatenate your year, comma. Go to put W0, close it, comma, and your 9. So you have something like this. Populate. Bingo. See what we have. So I've helped Mr. Kelechiku to populate it. So wow, let me see John. Hopefully I think we'll be able to finish dashboard today so that today will not just do much. Just do a recap of everything we've learned. True. Okay. Thank well done, John.
Thank you, sir. So, this the vertical axis. Am I doing anything there? If there's anything you can help me, I think I'm a bit stuck. And for the month and date below, I saw yours going straight, but mine is a bit slant.
That's what I want to check. I'm seeing on your vertical axis, I'm seeing 100, 0, 100, 200, 300, 500. So I want to know where you got your y-axis from, the series from. So let me see. I'm on your table now. I'm on your chart. You did not add series now. Look at my screen.
Okay.
Look at my screen. Come here and add series. So I'm leaving your table now. Go there. So what you also have there is count of transactions, not the amount spent. That's what it automatically gave you. You get.
Okay.
That's what it automatically gave you. It didn't give you this thing. The money. I think someone just entered the class. I don't know. Doctor.
Good evening, everybody.
What happened?
Ah, I've not sat down since morning.
Okay.
It's been from one thing to other. So I'm so sorry I'm late. I just had let me still join. I'm so tired.
Please, Yoruba will say a carbo. I'll
Thank
advise.
you. I've
Yeah,
not done my assignment, so
it's very obvious now.
yeah, but I'm gonna get it done before
Okay.
the next class. That's tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the grand
I'll
finale.
get it done.
Yeah,
I'll get it done before the class.
no problem. I made some changes to you guys' work, and I want to
Okay.
make sure it's in the same format. When I'm waiting for John. So what we are doing, we are simply creating. We've completed our scorecard, and then we are
Okay.
completing our charts.
Okay.
We did a line chart. I will just run through that one for you as fast. Let me come to your distance. I'll just run through that one as fast as possible.
Okay.
Whereas so looking at the
Okay.
screen I'm sharing, please. So you can do these ones by yourself, your scorecards by yourself. So now we are doing number 18, starting from below. We are doing create revenue trend over time, a line chart. We want to see revenue, and we say we want to see how much money were we making over time, and you say we want to use our month year column. So before I continue, I just want to ensure something. I hope this is still already data type. Coming because I did a little bit of formatting. Just want to be sure. Are you on your screen? Please leave your screen, doctor. I don't even,
Oh, okay.
please leave your screen. I don't even know where I am again. Something is missing here now.
I'm not on my.
See now, this
Okay.
one has moved to. Okay, was this as it was before? No. Okay, let us assume.
I'm not on my sheet, so I'm just about to open it now.
Okay, fine. Okay, so while you are looking at the screen, let me just quickly do the number. That one we just did now, so then you do the rest by yourself. So they said revenue over time, and I say want to use. So want to say month. What am I saying? March year. What is the meaning of this? Ah, thought I did the wrong thing here.
I did the wrong thing.
This is supposed to be month year, so it's supposed to be is equals to the month year. Okay, not is equals to, sorry. Delete everything from here first. So what I did, I want to clear everything from here. I'll not delete, I'll go to clear column. Alright, then copy from here, Control C, come here, and paste values only. Control C, come here, paste values only. All right, so what we have here now, we call this month. Yeah. All right, so we'll now come here, go to format. Maybe I'll confirm if there's nothing wrong. That's it. Everything. Change it to months. And come here, put a dash here. So change it to full numeric here. Why this be abbreviated, and then we'll click on apply. Okay, good. So this is what we have. So we want to say month here versus money. So what we now do is this. So we want to create the line chart now. We say Control O, that's Control A. Then go to insert your chart. Then what we insert while we're waiting for it to come up, pop up. So we have something like the first thing you do, please remember, go to your chart type, change it to smooth line chart, not line. This is like sharp angled chart, but go to a smooth line chart. The next thing you now do is go to series here and remove everything. Remove all series. So you are now left with a blank x-axis and a y-axis, which is series. Then go to the x-axis, click on it, change it to month year. Click on aggregate. You have this. Now this is showing you the number of transactions done in each month, in every of these months here. The month of March 2024, then about 200 transactions were done. That's what this thing is actually telling you. So, but that's not what we want. We want to see the money that came in each of them. So we just come here to series, change it to money, click now. And you notice that it's now different now. So here it's telling us in the month of March of 2024, the money that came in was, let me see, this is in dollars. Well, this is 5,000. So we have about $7,000 came in. The highest was in the month of October 2024, and what we came in was about 1,000, maybe $400 or something. So do you understand how to create this kind of a chart, doctor?
Yeah.
So what you now do for me, you go to customize. You now go to chart axis and type and whatever. Change it to revenue over time. Revenue over time. All right, then go to auto. For my chart title, I prefer 20. And then come to this text title color, make it black. And come to title format, come to make it in the middle and make it. So this is what we have. So you can shift it to the other side. So let me be, that's all for this particular chart. So you can shift it away from your this thing. So John, how far? Oh, John has done his own. Kudos to you, John. Kudos to you. Kudos to you. So what we're going to do, let's start arranging our chart a little by little. So look at what I'm going to do. Let me create more space. So everybody see what you're going to do. Click on this S column. Or any of the column, any of them, then left right click and say column to your right. It will give you more space. Remember, right click on any of them. Then insert one column to your right to give you an extra column. So you see this, what we're going to do is let's start arranging our columns. So this total revenue, leave it the way it is, or just bring it down one step more, like this, something like this. Then total number of customers, bring it next, bring it to somewhere like this. Then number of transactions, let's make it somewhere like this. Then number of products, let's bring it to somewhere like this. So this space is not enough. Let me create more space. Right click, insert one column to your right. Good. So then payments mode to insert. So everybody should have something like looking like this in their dash. I call it a semi dashboard now. So you should have something like this. Just arrange it. There's no mathematics here. Just arrange your dashboard or temporary dashboard to look something like this. Right? This is what you should have. Then your revenue over time. Your revenue over time. Let's just for now. It's looking very big in my ear, in my eye. Let me reduce it a little bit. Why is my dashboard looking? So just for now, it's looking too big in my eye. So I'll just what's going on? Okay, so this is what I have for now. Right, so that's that. So let me see, John. Okay, good. So the next chart we are going to be building now is Doctor. Okay, I just remember Doctor. I've not even done all these ones.
I'm not done it. Please, I will do it. Please,
You
I
do
will
it
do it.
though.
Just
Hmm?
bear with me.
No, wahala. Okay, so oh, on your chart. So the next thing we're going to do, let's go to the other questions that remain. So let's do question 17. Create a card versus cash table. Custom level spending. What I want to do, I want to create a card versus cash table. Let me explain what it means. Where is the card? This is the card versus cash. That's money. Remember, I don't say cash type. So we want to see what we want to just simply see is how much did every individual spend. Represent it in a table. That's what this question is all about. I hope I not press something. Okay, so that's what we want to do. So this is what you do, everybody. Of course, Control O. Then go to Insert. Go to Charts. We are going to use a table to represent it because the data you understand. So I'm just guiding us through because most of us this is the first time we're doing all this kind of thing. So when I do it, you understand. You see the explanation yourself. We might finish this class very early, so. Okay, so the next thing when you have created your chart, go to column chart, change it to table, go down. You see table is the last one, just click on it. That thing you see ABC one thing, something, something. So you see something like this. All right. Of course, the next thing you should remove all these ones we don't want. Remove month here. All we want to have here is money. There you go. That's what we want to have here. Move everything. Remove coffee name. Then come back to this series and change it to cash type. Is it cash type? No, card, sorry. Okay, good. Then aggregate. Okay, good. So now what this tells us is that this customer ID 1, he spent 664.14. Okay, let's say $604.14. As simple as that. This particular customer spent only $77. This particular customer spends $867, and so on and so forth. So they are very many. That's why we're using a table because it's many. They have many. So I don't know if you got what I did. Please give me a thumbs up. It's very simple. Okay, good. What up, doctor?
Ah,
Did I repeat it?
Linda, please come again.
Alright, so I'll delete it. We want to create a table to show the customers versus money. Now we can't use a column chart for this. The reason why we can't use a bar chart because the names, the number of customers, there are many. If you use a column chart, it will be too big. So the best way to use it is to represent chart is to use a table. So we're going to do insert and go to chart. All right. So the next thing you see something like this. Remember I said that the first thing you do is to change the chart type to from column, change it to table. Table is the last chart on your option. So what's table? So now you have something like this is a table you are seeing, but it has a lot of unnecessary jargons we don't need. So click on any of these ones and delete all of them. Leave only money. Just left click. Remove.
Table chat.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Then the data range, I should leave the data range.
Yes, leave everything where it is correct.
Okay. the dates. What about the series where we have date aggregate? Should I tick? Should
Okay,
I check it? Sorry, I
yes,
can't see.
just click on the date and change it to monthly. No, change it to card. So
The dates.
yes, click on the date, change it to card.
Okay. What about aggregate? Should I check it?
Click on aggregate. Yes, check it.
Okay.
Then go to where you have that series. Remove. Go to the three dots. Click on the three dots. Remove every other thing apart from money.
Still okay.
John, where is your table?
Sorry, please. Sorry, I'm still.
No, talk to me. Talk to me. Please, guys, give me a second. Someone is calling my line. My network is.
Did you
Hello?
say I
Hello? Hey,
should
I'm in the chat. No.
click
I beg, can I call you
on
back? I'm in a live session class now, please. Please. Yeah, I beg. Hello?
Please, am I being heard?
Sorry, a call came into my phone. I had to dismiss the call. What
Hello?
what I can hear you now. What were you saying? What were you saying, please,
You said
doctor?
I should remove that
Yes.
series where I have series. You said I should put card and tick aggregate. Then the next thing is date time, day of the week, month, year.
All those things,
So
remove
which
it.
one?
Every other in that series, remove everything apart from money.
Okay.
No, which one are we even doing? Yes, now yes. Remove everything apart from money.
Okay.
John.
Okay, I've done that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, doctor, your own is not yet reflecting. Let me refresh.
I'm done already, sir.
I'm even John, your own was not reflecting on my. What that call came in. Coming. I'm refreshing everybody's on so I can see what we are doing. Let me see. Okay, John on is about. Okay, good. Well done, John. Well done. Well done. Well done. Exactly. Exacto. Yeah, exacto. Good. Well done, Doctor, too. Well done. So, Doctor, just shift it away. Later, we'll talk about arranging all these things later. Let's just run through the charts.
I should shift.
Shift the
What am I
chart.
shifting?
Like shift it. Shift it to the empty space where you have your cards and your revenue over time. Reduce the size and just shift it away.
Okay.
Just drag it. Drag and drop. I've not even shifted my own stuff. Now, if you notice something in your when it comes to table, if you notice you can't give it a name. As in you can't. I don't know if anybody noticed it. You can't give it a name like this one over time, blah 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 whatever. That's one thing about the imitation of. As far as I know, unless it's on that new way of doing it, I'm not aware of. Okay, let me just look at it again. Edit chart. Uh-huh. Is there a place where we can name this chart? No, there's none. Okay, let's go to the next question as fast as possible. So everybody, let's go put our hands on all hands on decks for this next question. Next question is question 16. They said create revenue by coffee type. Use a column chart. Everybody can do this one. Create revenue by coffee type. Revenue by coffee type. So Coffee type will be in your X column, and revenue, which is money, will be in your series. As simple as that.
So are we doing Control A?
You can also control to select your table. Control O, then you now go to insert. Make sure it's a column chart, and then make sure on your x-axis what you have is your coffee type, and then on your y-axis what you have is your money. And so coffee type, where are you? That's coffee name, sorry. The aggregates, the series. Make sure it's your money. Simple as that. Then make sure you format your table. I want us to finish this class before 9 o'clock if possible. Revenue by coffee type. You can even make sure you can even say revenue by product. By product type. Okay, let's just say revenue by coffee type. Since only one kind
Is
of
it?
product.
Um,
Y-
sorry. What
Yeah,
kind of column chart are we creating? Is it line,
no,
smooth
column
line
charts.
chart?
A column charts. You can reduce on your x-axis. You can also reduce. You can also reduce the sizes of your letters if you want to. Not think that will be necessary. Just leave my own idea. Just show up.
Sorry, am I removing? Sorry, I'm drawing you back. It's just that I came with I'm not really following. So am I removing all the series?
Yes, remove
Am I
everything. Remove every single thing. Everything. Make sure it's what is left. What is left there should be money.
I've removed everything.
Then put in money there. Then make sure it's aggregated. I'm expanding my dashboard. Can expand, add more column in between so that there'll be enough space to put this dashboard. They're looking bigger than
Are you talking to me?
everybody. In fact, I'm going to reduce the size. Maybe not now. Maybe tomorrow we'll finish the dashboard, or if I don't finish it today, and then
Please, can you look at my work?
I'm coming.
Something is not correct.
The problem is okay. Move your hand from your screen. From your. All right. So what you have here is this: you're having an error. The error is coming that you have card instead of money. Okay. So
I'm
remove.
having what?
What you have is x-axis. You put card instead of coffee type. Change that x-axis to coffee type, not card. No. X-axis should be coffee name. X-axis, not series. X-axis. You
It
are
is not x-axis.
you are reversing it too. X-axis, I'm seeing money. The unless what I'm seeing is not what's. No, that's card now. X-axis, change that card to coffee name.
There is no. Okay.
Very good. Now reduce your chart size. Your chart is too big. That's just all I remain.
Where do I reduce it? Here?
You just come to the sides, just drag. Go to the edges and just drag.
Oh, okay.
Okay, John. Okay, John is John is good to go. So John, okay, John is arranging his chart. That is very good. Oh, your chart, your. Let me increase my own space. John's space is very big. Let me increase my own. I personally don't like building charts with Google Sheets. Limitations are just too much. Limitations are just too. People enjoy Power BI because the person that's going to teach you is great. A great teacher. And Power BI is one amazing tool for data visualization and data transformation. You can finish an entire project in Power BI as far as it has nothing to do maybe with diagnostic analysis and predictive analysis. As far as it's purely predictive, purely predictive analysis. I'm sure they must have taught people taught what predictive analysis, all those things were now. Predictive analysis, descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, and all those jargons. If you don't know those things, please go back and okay. So my dashboard is looking something like this. What it's looking like. Pretty cool. Okay, so Doctor Alpha. Doctor, in your Doctor, remove your hands from your down. Let me see what the problem. I'm seeing to
So because
remove
there is
coffee name.
two.
This is what I'm removing it. No, I remove it for you. No. So that's
My
what.
x-axis.
All right. So that's what we have for coffee name. Our dashboard is almost good. If you look at mine is almost good to go. Mine is good to go. So it's telling me that I have space for just one or two small charts. That is telling me. Now, if you look very well, the biggest chart we have here is revenue over time. Is the longest. And take note of that. The shortest, look at how my card is, my table chart is small. Imagine I wanted to display this card. You can see how long it is. The names, there are many, over 1,000. Imagine I wanted to display this using a column chart. Just imagine. But with a table, you can see how I can minimize space, maximize space further. So let's go to the next question. Okay, have you labeled your own? Let me check. Please label your column chart, Doctor. John, Uncle.
Oh, me?
Yeah, so label it. Go to customize. Look, you see now, John has labeled his own. John, well done, well done, well done, well done, well done.
Thank you, sir.
Well done. Deserve one cold drink. Never wine. Never wine. Buy for you.
Add an axis title.
Yeah, chart analysis. I could change it to revenue by coffee type. From here, we just have how much time do we have? Okay, good.
Sorry.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Which? This is chart title. Am I changing the chart title?
Yes, now to revenue by coffee type. I can't see what you are doing from my end here because you have opened the edit chart setting. So I can't see it. until you click enter.
Revenue what?
Revenue by coffee type. Your coffee is supposed to be double E. You reduce the font size later of this your title. You see where you see automatic.
I should use it to 10.
Reduce it to 20. 20 will go.
That's increase now.
That will be decreased. Right now, it's this. The font size of your title is around 30 something.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so that means we are true now. Let's just leave that one for now. You can do the design later. So I want us to finish this class before 9. And so everybody will go and read for tomorrow. Then prepare for the party for tomorrow. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. The next question is going to be very simple. What's the next one? We might not be able to do every question here. I said question create a payment. This is the last card we'll do today. Create a payment method pie chart. What we want to do is this: create a payment method pie chart. We want to create a payment chart. We want to see this payment method is under cash type. Yes. So under this cash type, now look at everybody, look at me. I'll click on this H. I'll go to data, go to create a filter. Boom. How many kind of categories of cash type do we have here? So I went to H column, went on filter, went to data, went on filter. So it created this filter for me. I click on it. So you can see we have card and cash. Blanks, card and cash. So we want to display that on a chart on our table. So this is what we're going to do. Click on control, not control. Click on your table. Click on Control A if needed. Then go to insert. Sorry. Go to chart. Then all right. So this is our chart. So we want to change it. Please, I'll wait. Everybody, do this one first. Let me just wait. Insert. Everybody, insert your chart first.
You said we should first insert filter, abi?
No,
Create
no,
a
no, 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 no.
filter.
I was just trying to show you something. No, leave that one now. Just insert your chart, please. I was just trying to show you something. Oh man, my tired is tired. Ah, big day. Listen. All right, have we done it? So change it to pie chart. It's currently in column chart. Change it to pie chart, and then no donut chart. Use donut chart, or anyone you want to use. Yeah, pie chart, column chart, anyone. Then this guys. Okay, then for add label, change it to I think no, change to cash type. I think change to cash type. Then use column A as use. Then click on aggregate. So you should have something like this. Then under values, change it to money. Yeah. So what we now have here now? So under labels, cash type, aggregate, then value money. And you don't want to say that.
Sorry, please.
Yeah. Where
I
are
You
can't
you?
said
see
we
your
should
screen.
do. Can you see my screen?
Now that I want to check your screen. It's hanging. Okay, so you come here. I'm seeing what you have. Change it to pie chart or donut chart. Anyone.
Sorry, where should I
You go
change
to
it?
that column now. Edit chart and go to column. Click on column. You see something. Right now is in column chart, Nabi. Abi.
I clicked on edit chat before. It didn't come up. Sorry.
Click on it. It's supposed to pop up now.
Sorry, please.
No problem.
Sorry.
Sir, I
John.
can't see your screen.
Okay, John.
I can't see your screen, sir.
You can't see my screen. This is your screen I'm showing, not my own.
Why is my edit chat not?
Delete the chart you created and create another new chart. John, there's something missing here. This is transaction by number. This is not by money. Go to your edit chart. Go to your series or I think value. Under value of this your chart, change put money there. That's what is missing here. Supposed to give me cash. Supposed to be 2.8. Card is okay. Oh. No, I didn't say you should change your card type or your chart type. That if you want me to do these things from the top, okay, no, there's no need to do it from the top now. So I want you to figure your way around all these things. Good. It's in your own now is in column donut chart, I think.
Yeah.
So go down, you see where you have label. In your label, make it cash type, maybe. Yeah. Make it cash type. Then under value, make it
Hashtag
cash type. Cash type. You want cash type.
hashtag.
Uh,
Okay.
then for
Okay.
values, you make it money. Then make sure I think if there's any place to aggregate it, click on the aggregate drop down. Aggregate checkbox. I want us to finish at least 10 minutes before time. Everybody go and rest for the weekend.
Mm. Please, can you look at my?
I'm looking at
Oh,
it.
sorry.
I'm looking at it, but
Ah,
I'm looking at it.
has improved from what is showing on your screen now.
Hey, that's what I'm saying. I want to refresh. Refresh. Let me see if I refresh it. So, as far as your edit chart, this thing is still open. I doubt if I'll be able to see. Oh God, open my eyes that I may see doctor's chart. You're in Kokon. I can't even see anything. It's coming up. Oh, good. All right, so God has opened my eye. Very good. Very good. So change the title. Go to customer. Change it to what do we call this chart again? Change it to. I'm coming. What title do we say we should call this one again?
See the do not chat.
Yeah, that's a donut chart. Change it to payment method usage. Payment method usage. That's the name of the chart we call it. Payment method. Let me do my own. Payment method usage. I'll reduce the size of my own chart. Payment method usage. Payment method. I think this is the last chart for today. Oh God. So let me see.
Sir, I can't see your screen. Can you cross check if what I did is correct? If there's any correct answer.
I'm coming,
My
sir.
network is bad here.
I'm coming. Payment method. This is the name of the chart we'll call it. Payment method usage. auto, call it 20. Okay. So John. Very good, John. Very good, John. Just reduce the size a little bit. Make it. This is the last chart we are doing. So you try and we want to the left. What's left next to organize it? That's good. I'm very impressed with everybody. Well done, doctor. So reduce the size of your charts. So I'm going to work. What I want to now do is to arrange my chart, my dashboard now. So to make it look like a dashboard. Me. Oh. Okay, so this is what I have here. This. So this is what I have. So let me do something. So let's call this chart. Chart.
People's chat dashboard is so fine.
Actually, let me see your.
Mine is just everywhere.
Your own is still okay. Just to arrange the sizes and all that. That's all. Your own is okay. Let me try something. Four. How do we even do that? That. H now. Now. Okay, so let's call this coffee sales analysis. Coffee sales analysis. Let me see this one. Have something like this. Not for coffee sales. So let me shift this guy. So what I'm doing now here is what you should be doing. Just trying to arrange your dashboard. Let it just look somewhere presentable. So let's just work on arranging our dashboard. So doctor, those spaces where you're supposed to have your cards, just give space for them. So the one you are doing, we just include them. You just add them up there. All right, so this is what we have. Okay, so let me see what else you can do. Let me see where we are. So I'm not sure I'm on the same page. Okay, good, John. Well done. John, I'll have preferred you. Okay, good, good. Okay, good. Very good. John, try and make sure your own is at a glance. They can see the entire all your charts. If you look at my own, at a glance, you can see the charts, everything. So reduce the sizes of everything. You understand? So that at a glance they can
Okay,
see
sir.
everything.
Okay, sir.
Doctor, okay, doctor still doing her own. Okay, doctor, I'll advise you start by arranging your chart first before you start doing all this customization. Arrange them the way.
Sorry?
Now I prefer you arrange them first before. I notice you are customizing them in the sense your chart, your font color, and the rest of them. I will say chill with those ones first. Do arrange them properly. Gives when you put total revenue, they measure the space for number of customers, number of transactions, number of products, number of payment mode. Because you are all going to send all these projects to the MDO. Now you go determine whether you go collect a certificate or not. If you no submit and no certificate, or there's no proof now that you did anything. So by the time you go somewhere tomorrow, maybe London or USA, then I say, we know the Tafai technology. You say they trained you. No be my mouth. Where is certificate? Yeah, no get. I'll tell you say that means you know go through their training with that now.
I said they did not give me now.
Never ask you what did they give you?
So then, no, we've never heard of it because so I just they did not tell us, they didn't give us so.
I don't even know what to answer. You said so I don't even know what to answer.
No, you're like, you didn't give us.
For the first time, I don't even know what to reply. I don't. That is where. Yeah. So, okay, so what I want to do now, let me do. I don't think I've really done what I want to do before. Okay, okay, okay. I want to change. Have I done this thing before? I want to change these charts we have here. I want to change it to golden color. No, to black background. So let me see if it will make. If it doesn't make sense, I'll just leave it. So go to customize. Okay. Okay, setup. Let me see on if it's under setup. Under setup. Chart as is entitled chart style. Chart style. Good. Okay, yeah. On that chart style, go to background. Let me change it to something black. Okay. So I'm having something like this. Pure black. Let me see the way it looks. In almost sense. Let me change it to color. Nope. Into black. If it does not make sense, I'll leave it though. Then revenue, the title. Where's the title? I just went to chart style, change it to black, gray color or something. Went to title. Where's the title of this guy? I'm going to change it to blue. Revenue over time. I'll change it to high ranking blue. Sharp blue. Oh, it's too sharp. Too bloody sharp. Okay, something like this is fine. This thing does not make sense at all. Let's try. Okay, good. Revenue over time. Well, let me change it to golden color. Let me see if I have anything. Oh, beautiful. 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 Let me see if I can change the x-axis, horizontal axis. Change it to the same golden color. Not this color gold. Maybe go there. Alright, so ah. What I'm just trying to do, I'm just trying to see what I can do. Grid line no. I don't need all these grid lines. The grid lines. What's this trend line? Let me just see what I can do there. I'm not sure. I'm coming. This blue line, where can I find? Okay, line color. Okay, so I'm having something like this. That type, change it to black. All right, so I'm having something like this. Okay, then let me go to coffee type, coffee barrel. Oh, please, if you understand what I'm doing, please give me a thumbs up. Oh. I'm just playing with my chart, though. I'm just playing with it to see. We're almost through for today. I just want to see how each of us can edit our chart to see how we can create something. That's what I want to just see. All right, so we come here. You can. I'm doing it again for revenue by. So in case you don't see what I did, I'm going to background color. I'll change the background to black. So you have something like that. Then we have. I can change this thing to 3D. So yeah, something like this. But that's not what we need. Then go to series. Series is where you have your fill color and the rest of them. Change it to the same golden. So you have something like this, right? And horizontal axis, change to the same golden. All right. Then your vertical axis, please change it. You can still change it to golden color. So then for the title, you can still change it to golden color. So we now have something that looks like this. In order for this thing to make sense, there's something I'm going to do. I'm going to come here, click on all right, and go to color here and click like this. Or okay, yeah, something like this for now. Something like this for now. Something like this. I'll show your face, so let me see where you are. So you can come to here, payments method. Tomorrow's class will not be doing, we'll do pivot table and we're done. Tomorrow's class will be very, maybe 1 hour, we're done. 1 hour, pata pata. The remaining 1 hour you use for eating and rejoicing. So I'm going to be handing you over happily to your next tutor. I'll soon look at everybody's own. Oh. Please just give me a second. Let me just finish my own. Let me see how. Just play around. Just play around with it and you are done. There's no perfection in this thing. Just play. I like using gold and black a lot. It might not make sense, so okay, but I like using it a lot. So let's see. Legend, gold. Okay. Slice. For here, for card, I'm going to make it. The card is the biggest, so I'll make it. Let me make it gold. Then for cash, the smallest, I'm going to make it light gray. It can blend in with the background we have. All right. Okay, good. So it's looking good. Kind of looking good. Charts. There's again pie charts. Color. No. All right. So that's what we have for cash type for payment method. Now let's go to the card. For card, I don't think card will give us much trouble. Customize. Card style. Background color will be black. All right. Then key value. Let's make it the same golden color we have been using. And I think that'll be all for card. Oh, the title, sorry. The tight. So I'll stop here for now. Let me see what everybody is doing. Before I continue. I'm just been going through everything just to ensure that everybody knows what I'm doing. All right, good. So let's look at John. Oh, this is good. So your colors are kind of dull. Doctor, where are you? Okay, you're still arranging, have you what?
I'm trying to edit and put color in.
Okay. Hold on, hold on. Okay. That's background. Let me see. Let me do something. Watercolor. Let me code. Okay, so I love this. Hold on. Key value. It's loading. Dot title and this is for. I love. I say we'll finish this class in 10 minutes before time. I'm here designing a dashboard. So play by play, you have built your first Google Sheet dashboard. This dashboard is looking beautiful. Not just beautiful, it also makes sense. Oh. Okay. Well done. Unfortunately, I can't edit my table. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. What I'll do is, I'll tell us what to do for this table tomorrow. We're going to use a type pivot table to create a column chart for our top, let me say, 5 customers. So we'll remove this table. So this is what my final table looks like, everybody. If it's good looking or fine or it's not fine, I don't know. Just what it looks like. So tomorrow we're going to remove that table. We're going to change it to a column chart. We're going to be using a pivot table to create the top 10 customers. All right. So that's what my this thing looks like. And from what we can see, it's showing me total revenue. It's showing us the total number of customers. So let's say I'm the business owner. I told the data analyst to analyze my data set for me. So for the past, God knows how many years, let's know how far on how far God has taken us. And I say, oh, so for from March 2024 to let me say March 2025, we made a total of $115,355 $115,355. And we had 1,216 customers. It's clear, I can see it clear that the number of transactions we did was 3,634. Now, what Power BI will do for you, guys, listen, is that you'll be able to put something we call slicers. You can see, I can be able to check how many we made for each month. You understand? But I don't know. I don't believe it's possible using Google Sheets. The Google Sheet is basically for reporting, not for real-time live dashboards. Then, so number of you can see the number of products we have. You can see the number of payment methods is two. It's two. We only have two. Then payment methods, we can see is cash and we can see is card. We can see there's no need for that payment method card there, sir, because we already have payment method usage and it's showing us that we only have two. So that payment method mode is redundant. Yes, is redundant. Then revenue by coffee type, we can see now. I will show you in private tables how we can make this descending order or whatever. But from here, it's obvious that latte is number one, close to 3,000. The least is espresso, close to zero. Then we can see revenue over time. You can see that the highest revenue we have is in October 2024, seconded by February 2025. And so these are our dashboard, friends and family, and students of DataFied Academy. So let's go to John. This one you are breathing in, you're breathing out. You are tired. What are you even doing, Seth? Doctor.
What am I doing?
You are changing the color of your chart to gray. Is that what you're doing?
Maybe say we should edit it.
I said arrange before you edit.
I have arranged this now.
And like this. So if you pay a data analyst to do a work for you, to do a work for you, and now give you something like this scattered, you say yes now.
Is it scattered? So it's still scattered like this.
It's scattered
What
though.
don't the-
If you want me to put a hand, I can quickly do something to arrange it.
Please, okay, please let me do something to arrange.
Okay, as I'm doing something, please. I hope the rice is on fire. The party rice is on fire.
Oh, it's on fire, no
Okay.
problem.
I don't know chop cold rice, so now hot rice.
Hot, so I see they hot.
Okay, so let me see. It was a John had bought the drinks by now. I'll be with a glass of wine as I'm doing all this. While we're waiting. Okay, so what I'm going to now do is all these ones I'm going to later check out the spelling of your usage. The revenue, but I don't need all these ones. Anything has to do with something over time. For me personally, I love putting it down because usually I love having enough space. So what I normally do is I'll stretch it, something like this, and then just looking at my screen. I'm not sure if you're seeing what I'm doing in real time. If you're looking at your own screen.
I'm looking at you.
Okay.
I'm looking at you.
Okay. So since you decided to go for this color, you don't want to choose black like us. No problem. Usually pie charts usually have or area chart, not area chart, pie charts or yes, not area chart. No, pie charts or donut charts usually have the smallest size when it comes to your dashboard. So you see something like this. So I don't need this thing. Me. So you reduce the title. Your title is too big. One size of that title is
Okay.